Welcome to Fiendius Crafting, episode 1, where we're going to make a clock-shaped Idaho. An Idaho-shaped clock. I'm Matt. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a chair bottom. As you can see, the back of the chair has been broken or cut off. We're going to cut the legs off and make this beautiful clock in the shape of Idaho, because that's where I live. So here is the finished product. A few struggles we ran into, as you may have noticed. I gave up on trying to plane this down so it would be flat and just kind of sanded it. So there's still kind of this groove in the back, which when it's up against the wall, don't even know. Also learned that the longer this piece of wire is, the further it will lean away from the wall, so I've got it pretty short so that it will stay pretty close to the wall. Other than that, it is beautiful, very beautiful, and it can be yours. I will be listing this clock here, as you noticed in the video. I made 5 clocks. I mean, if you could tell, I don't know if you could tell or not, I made 5 clocks. Most of them were for Christmas presents, but this one I made for one of you guys. It will be in my Etsy shop. There will be a link down below where you can purchase this, and I will mail it to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode.